Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you how to make eggless and oil-free mayonnaise in just 1 minute. Hey guys, I am Amara Fahad and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make an eggless and oil-free mayonnaise. Store-bought mayonnaise is unhealthy, but now this homemade is very healthy and it does not have any single drop of oil or not even milk or yogurt. And it is very tasty and it's perfect to include weight loss meals like salads, sandwiches, etc. without any guilt. So let's get started with our new recipe which I found it for you. I am taking a bowl. In a bowl, I am going to add 25 pieces of cashew nuts. Make sure these are not salted. These are unsalted and not even roasted. These are plain cashews. After adding 25 pieces of cashew nuts, I am going to add some water to soak it for 10 minutes so that we will get good texture. I drained the water. Now I am transferred it into a mixer bowl. Now I am going to add 3 cloves of garlic. Now if you don't like garlic too much, you can use only 1 garlic clove. Now I am going to squeeze half a lemon. After that, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now it's optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Now it's healthy, that's why I'm going to use this pink Himalayan salt. Because this recipe is healthy, that's why I'm using all things which are good for our health. And it's very good for health, for our cholesterol and for our blood pressure. Now I'm going to add 1/3 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now grind it into the grinder. Add some water according to the consistency. So you can see how thick and creamy mayonnaise it is. Since cashew nut has slightly sweetness, I didn't use any sweetener. The salt, lemon juice and apple cider vinegar helps to balance all the flavor. This mayonnaise can be stored into a fridge for a couple of days. You can make large batch and make sure you can store it in an airtight container. So guys, do try this healthy and mayonnaise recipe and let me know how it tastes. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.